Hello everyone. Today we are discussing about lawyer. That what is lawyer? So let's get started. So outside of television shows or movies, you may have no knowledge of what lawyers are or what they do. While financial depiction can be helpful, they are not always accurate. The following are a few commonly asked questions about lawyers. What exactly lawyers do? A lawyer, also called attorney, consul, or consular, is a licensed professional who advise and represent others in legal matters. Today's lawyer can be young or old, male or female. Nearly one third of all lawyers are under 35 years old. Almost half of the law students today are women, and women may ultimately be as numerous in profession as men. I come from another country and I need a hire to a lawyer. Are notaries public liars? A notary public an accountant or a certified public accountant is not necessarily a liar. Do not assume that titles such as notary public mean the same things as similar terms in your own language. In some countries, a liar is called barriers or a solicitor. What are a liar's main duties? A liar has two duties: to uphold the law while also protecting a client's rights. To carry out these duties, a liar should understand the law and be an effective communicator. Is most of liars' time spent in court? No. Most liars normally spend more time in an office than in courtroom. The practice of law most often involves researching legal developments, investigating facts, writing and preparing legal documents, giving advice and settling disputes. What are the professional requirements for becoming a lawyer? To understand how laws and the legal system work, lawyer must go through special schooling. Each state has indicated standards that must be met before a person is licensed to practice law there. Before being allowed to practice law in most states, a person must have a bachelor's degree or its equivalent, complete 3 years in ABA accredited law school, pass a state bar examination which usually lasts for 2 or 3 days. The exams test knowledge in selected areas of law. There are also required tests on professional ethics and responsibility. Pass a character and fitness review. Applicants for law license must be approved by a committee that investigates character and background. Take an OATH, usually swearing to support the laws and the state and federal constitutions. Receive a license from the highest court in the state, usually the state supreme court. Once licensed in one state, is a lawyer allowed to practice law in all states? Not automatically. To become licensed in more than one state, a lawyer must usually comply with each state's bar admission requirements. Some states, however, permit licensed out of state lawyers to practice law if they have done so in another state for several years and the new state highest court approves them. Many states also have provisions for lawyers to participate in specific cases in states where they are not licensed. The lawyer in such a case is said to be appearing pro hoc vice, which means for this one particular occasion. So I think that's it for today. So do like, subscribe our channel. Okay, Mr. Bashir. So I think we will wait for 5 minutes. So thank you for watching our video. Goodbye.